Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are out for a 2-up ride today. Check out that buzzard. That dude was right there. I'd seen another one go by right before that across the road. So it is a beautiful day out. Beautiful rocks along this part. And the creek over here on the right, which is kind of low. It's actually kind of dry. We got a little rain last night, but I don't know how much. I don't think it was a whole bunch. And the way it rains around here is, it might rain at our house, but not here, just down the road, you know. It's real spotty usually around here. So we're going to hit some back roads and see what we can see today, enjoy the day, go somewhere and get something to eat. And we're actually down by close to Powell, Arkansas, going toward Pea Ridge through some back roads that way. So far we are. Haven't seen a deer yet, and usually we do, but it's actually 10 o'clock too. A lot of times you see the deer early. Oh, there goes something off in the ditch. It's a dog. There's another one up there. He's right there. Ha 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 ha. He come after us too. Here he comes. He's following us.
He's trying to disguise himself in the weeds.
Slow down, see how brave he really is. See if he'll bite you on the leg.
No.
Oh.
No.
He's a good dog. He just wanted to exercise, run alongside us.
He just wanted to race.
He wanted to get in front of us and get run over. But I don't want to hit him. Look at this little one here. He's wanting to come out there now. Gotta watch. He's not gonna bite. They're not bad dogs.
I'm afraid of him in front of the wheel.
They're not bad dogs.
He just racing.
He's like, okay, I'm tired. You're boring. Time to move on.
That is funny how he's hunkered down in that ditch like that.
I seen him go across and down there. I seen his tail going off down in the ditch. I knew he was there. You gotta watch for that stuff because he could have jumped right out in front of us too.
Right.
But he didn't do it. Thank God.
See, that's one of those things that if I would have been on the TW,
yeah,
he could have actually caused me to wreck.
she'd run off in here. Uh-oh. Seen some steam coming up out of that hole. Uh-oh, tree limb. Gotta watch that too when you're riding the corner and you hit something like that. They roll under your tires when you're leaning. Well, coming up on this bridge down here, we'll have to see if it's flooded. I don't think it is. I don't think the creek is going to be up down here. Maybe a little bit from the rain, but not a lot.
It's up a little bit from last time.
Yeah, it's up some. Oh, I see some fish. Little bitty one's that little bass right there. Little brownie. There's another one over there. So you can see anything on the other side.
I see all them little minnows too.
A bunch of them.
Frank,
What?
that's like where you're going to go over, that's what.
No, I'm not going to go
If I do, I'm going to go in the water.
Well, the good part about it, if you did, it'd be a soft landing in all that
No,
water.
it wouldn't. I'd hit that edge before it went down to my ribs in.
And hit the rock on the, when you hit bottom.
Yeah.
Free and clear. I think I hear a car, maybe not, but I thought I heard something.
Yeah, it's up a little bit. There went a big perch.
I'd like to have a mess of perch. We had some fried green tomatoes yesterday.
Yep.
Steak and fried green tomatoes. Yummy.
Hot as steam.
Make you slap your mammy. Man, it is nice out here. And the cool part about after the rain, it settled the dust. No doubt. And this bike is so much smoother. I let the air down to 15 pounds front and rear. Man. Makes a big difference on these back roads. I hardly ever do it because it's just kind of a pain, and I'll be on and off of dirt roads so much, but it's really worth it to do it if you're going, especially if you're going to ride a lot of dirt road, gravel, anything off-road. Big difference. Nice and shady down here. Big time. Yeah, it is. All the canopy of trees covering the road. Sometimes if the sun's just right, with all that green, everything is green down in here because it makes it a green glow going through the leaves. Pretty cool. There's the creek down there. It looks pretty good. We have crossed over to the other side. It's on our left now. I bet you this creekside campground's full. They got wet last night too in their tents. I don't know if I've ever had a tent that was 100% dry. Yeah, there's several people right there already. The dumpster is full.
Yeah, it's fuller than what it was last time.
Well, they're not just like overcrowded, it don't look like.
No, but it has more than what they had last time.
Yeah. Probably some people may have left last night.
Probably.
Because of the rain. There'll be more of them piling in today probably. Because everybody's off tomorrow. Tomorrow's Labor Day. That's a big dog she got there.
That is a big dog.
That's the color of that cow. Look at all them cows.
All them steaks.
All them steaks.
What was that?
Bicycle.
Oh.
There's a bicycle dude.
Well, I was looking off to the right and I seen something whiz by me.
That's what
I seen your hand go out and it's like, well, I didn't hear nothing. I seen something.
I flipped him off.
Whatever.
No, I just waved at him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's his water bottle. Huh?
You want to get it to take it to him?
Well, I guess we could.
I mean, I'm sure he's gonna, I'm sure it's his.
I'm sure.
We'll have to catch up with him because he's going fast. Okay. Yeah, he'll be looking for that.
Here we go. Yes, he is. I'm sure it's a Camelback water bottle. Take too long to catch him on this. He's not running that fast.
Oh no, he's booking it.
Unless he turned off in a house.
There he is.
So you think you want your water bottle back?
Well, he's got one, but did you have two?
Thank you.
We just seen that laying back there. It's like, I know that. We know that's got to be yours. Hey, I've done the same thing. They'll fall out and you don't even know it. Hey, no problem. He sure lost it.
Yeah, he had two.
Yep.
That's funny.
I don't know what's in it. Some kind of colored drink. Probably
Yeah.
wine.
It could be. Nah, it's probably Powerade or Gatorade or something.
He don't want a high wine, oh, decorated.
I mean, he had to figure it out that when he heard us coming up on him like that, something was wrong.
Well, might have. They come back to kill me.
That's too funny. He would have realized later, oh, I've got one of these missing. Where'd I lose it?
Okay, we did our good deed for today. Now it's time to go slap some mirrors.
We have never slapped mirrors.
No, I've never got that mad. I've got angry at people, but not that mad.
Yeah.
Now, where was we at when we found that? We're already back, ain't we?
I think we've already passed it. We may have.
Uh-oh, bumps here. Watch out. Mercy. I just kind of threw them dudes. Hang on, we're going down the big hill.
A little sticker vine will get you if you're not paying attention if you're on that side of the road. It was reaching out to grab somebody.
Get bushwhacked
That sticker would rip you open.
by a sticker bush. Look at this water. We can go swimming.
That is some nasty brown water.
It is nasty down in there.
I don't think I'd want to play in that.
Well, we can get down there and mud wrestle. Oh, nice spot on the creek here. Yeah, I think I see a blue herring down there. See it just to the left of that little sycamore bush?
Yep, I see him.
Sticking his long neck up down there.
Yep.
That's the bad part about these cameras. You don't see it very good.
There's two of them.
Yeah.
And then there's one further down.
Yep. Oh well.
Oh, there's one right there too. 4 of them.
Can't see them on the camera.
Oh, watch the big mud hole.
Hang on, we're gonna split this dude. Okay, we'll slow down. We didn't split it and get you all wet.
I wouldn't mind getting wet or muddy if I wasn't going to probably go in somewhere to eat.
Women are like ducks. They don't like getting mud on their butts. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe down below. Click the thumbs up. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on. Check out them rocks up there.
Oh.
Pretty sweet.